In this video, I explain the philosophy of justice. You will learn how different thinkers have reflected on the topic of justice and what ideas they have developed. Justice is an important concept often used in society. It is about everyone being treated fairly and having equal opportunities. But what is fair can vary depending on the situation. Philosophers have developed many different ideas about what justice exactly looks like. In antiquity, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle dealt with the question of justice. Plato imagined that justice consists in everyone doing what suits them best. Aristotle believed that justice is the balance between too much and too little. Both thinkers wanted to find an ideal form of justice. In the Middle Ages, justice was often connected to the teachings of the Church. The Catholic theologian Thomas Aquinas saw justice as the basis for just action. He emphasized that justice also includes the duty to help others. At that time, justice was closely linked to divine laws. In the 17th and 18th centuries, thinkers like Thomas Hobbes and John Locke developed the concept of the social contract. They explained that people live together in society through a contract to achieve justice. Hobbes assumed that without this contract, life would be poor, nasty and short. Locke believed that the social contract guarantees the protection of rights and freedoms. Utilitarianism is a theory that views justice from the perspective of the greatest benefit for the most people. The philosopher Jeremy Bentham saw justice as promoting the well-being of the majority. John Stuart Mill expanded this idea by emphasizing that individual well-being is also important. This theory presents benefit as crucial for justice. The American philosopher John Rawls developed the theory of justice as fairness. He imagined how a society would look if no one knew their position. Rawls argued that the best society would protect those who are most disadvantaged. For Rawls, justice means allowing inequalities only when they benefit the weaker. Distributive justice refers to how resources and goods are divided within a society. Philosophers ask what criteria determine who gets what. Some argue that everyone should receive the same, while others point to individuals' merits and needs. In many modern societies, distributive justice is seen as a key part of social cohesion. The relationship between justice and freedom is an important topic in philosophy. Many philosophers believe that justice must also respect the freedom of the individual. There are different views on how much freedom someone should have. The challenge is to combine justice and freedom, so that both are preserved in a society. In everyday life, we encounter many situations where justice plays a role. Whether it is fair working conditions, just wages, or equal treatment of people, justice is an issue that concerns us all. Sometimes, it is difficult to decide what is, just because there are often different opinions. Nevertheless, it is important to keep reflecting on justice and to examine how we can implement it in our lives.